guys, Fishinstraya here. Today I'm joined with the one and only Penny. We're out and about on Lake Crescent and it is the Launnie Angling Club weekend, and this week it's on Lake Crescent and Lake Sorrel. So it's currently the Friday. It's Friday morning. I didn't have to work Friday morning, so got up here Thursday night and yeah, just gonna go at it. So it's a catch and release tournament on a brag mat. As you guys have seen, I've caught some pretty tidy fish out of here recently, so hopefully I can replicate that. But yeah, anyway, I'm just gonna pick up a hard body and start throwing it, and hopefully Penny can be my good luck charm. We get a fist bump? No fist bump. Fair enough. Oh well. We'll see you guys when we're on. G'day guys, Fishinstraya here. This video is proudly sponsored by Tamar Marine Launceston. Tamar Marine Launceston have got a huge range of fishing gear, boating needs and everything you need to get out and back on the water safely. So when you're in Launceston next, come into Tamar Marine Launceston and buy something from them so they can continue to support me to make videos like this one. Hope you guys enjoy this Fishinstraya video and I'll see you guys at the end. Oi, Penny, enough. Penny, down. No, down, not up. It's a good brownie. It's a good brownie. Just take it gentle. Just take it gentle. He's going deep. That's happy. That's happy days. He can go deep because I can just play him out. Penny, back. Woo! It's a touchy bit here because you don't want to put too much weight on him and pull hooks, but you don't want to let him go. But, oh yeah, he's a nice brownie. Not that long. Buddy, I tell you what, he's got some weight in him. Oh, he's a lot bigger than I first thought. Oh, he's a horse. Oh, he's a lot bigger than I first thought. Rightio, let's get him sorted. Let's get him sorted. How good is that? How good is that? Beautiful colours. Penny, out of it. Well, I tried to get a graceful release of him. I went to set him in the drink and he's just jumped out of my hands and disappeared. Whew. So that was a 6.5 pound brownie to start the day off. How good is that? How good? Well guys, I'm just come in to get my lure that I've got stuck, and I've found another one. How convenient's that? I don't think I'll ever fish it. How convenient's that? Oh yeah, even comes with a fresh swivel on it. Now I'll have my little back, thanks. Oh my god, he's fucking moved again. He had a crack at it. No. He had that. Get out of there. Get out of there. Get out of there. Yes, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Woo! Ah, down, down. Woo! Oh my god, that is crazy. He's going out there. Come on. Come on. He's hooked fairly good. By the looks of that. Oh, that's a horse. That's a horse. Woo! Oh, that's even bigger. That's even bigger. Rightio. Let's get him sorted. Let's get him sorted. Well guys, how's that for a bit of destruction? Twisted, my whole leader's twisted. I bent the hooks in on that last fish when I was pulling out of the net, so I only had some smaller trebles, and I don't think the smaller trebles loved it. They are bent, they are gone. But yeah, now I need a retie leader, and I think I've got another one of these, so I'm not going to change the hooks. Save me some time and get back at it. How good is that? Well guys, g'day. It is a Saturday. It is the Launnie Angling Club Saturday tournament. She's on now. Yesterday got a good look at the lake. Didn't really learn much more, just caught fish where I caught them before, so at least I know they're still there. It's bloody way too early. It's like 5. I was at the boat ramp by like 4:50. Made an iced coffee in like a blend jet down there, and I must have put in like half the jar of caffeine and coffee because holy hell, it's got some kick to it. But I'm just gonna pick up the, what was it? It was a 63 Fishinstraya lure. That did the damage yesterday. I'm gonna pick that up. Okay, keep on flicking it. Hopefully I can get myself a nice one during the Saturday comp. But anyway, I'm gonna throw the GoPro on my head, throw the hood back on because it's not particularly warm and all my clothes are wet. Yeah. And for the reason my clothes are wet, this. What the hell is this shit? What the hell? Oh my god, let's get off the water fast. He's a good fish. He's a good fish. He's a good fish. Oh, getting nervous. Just holding deep. He's a good fish. I'm shaking. Come up. Come up. Come up. Come up. Come up. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, something just popped. Something just popped. Oh, I don't like that. I'm shaking. This is a big fish. This is a big fish. Oh, she's a big fish. I'm just trying to hold him in the current here. I'm just trying to hold him in the current. But I don't really have much choice. I'm shaking. Look at my leg. My leg's going. Oh, she's a big fish. Oh, I think it's bigger. Yeah, it's bigger than my dog. It's bigger than my dog. Oh my god. Whoa, 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 whoa. Get out of those reeds. Get out of those reeds. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. Get up, get up, get up. Oh, she's a big fish. She's hooked good. She's hooked good. I just can't let her go into reeds. I just can't let her go into reeds. Oh, she's a long fish. She's a big fish. Oh, she's a big fish. Oh, she's a big fish, man. She's a big fish. She's a big fish. No, don't you dare. If that net fell in, I would have cried. Because I had no way of landing this fish without that net. Oh, it's going. Oh, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. come up. It's no fun to be had in the water, Mr. Fishy. Yes. Oh! Yeah! Whoa! 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 Yes, Penny! Oh! Oh! Rightio, rightio. Okay, let's get the dog on so she can't eat this fish. Whoa! Oh, she's a monster. Oh, she's a monster, man. She's a full monster. Hey. £8.5 pounds. 8.5. How good? How good is that? Wow. Just wow. Wow. Woo! Well guys, sitting happy where I am. 72 centimetre length in the Saturday comp. If someone beats that, honestly, not even going to be mad. Good on them. Like, you catch a fish bigger than 72, good on them. But like, this is a place to do it. It's like, it's not often you'd catch an 8.5 pound trout in sort of like a Saturday tournament and think, I don't know if I've won. But no, pretty happy with that. It was a long fish too. Like, it wasn't slabby, but it wasn't as good conditioned as some of the fish that I've been pulling out of here. So like, it sort of worked in my favour for this one day because it was slightly longer, but it wasn't that large, and it's a length tournament. Yeah. Anyway, let's go fish somewhere else. So I've just come back out. Oh, horrible net job. Thank God he's hooked good. Woo! Woohoo! Hey, Penny, leave him alone. Penny, come on. You know the drill. I don't think he's gonna be bigger than the 8.5 pounder we got today, but nevertheless, still a powerful little Lake Crescent brown trout. Just a little football. Just a little football. Just like that, he's off, and oh no way, hooks came out. How good is that? They came out of waders. Woo! Well guys, so pretty well much after catching my big fish, I fished a little bit less hard.
Considering I already had a really good day the day before, I wasn't too stressed, and I knew I was going to be very lucky to up my 72 centimetre fish. Yeah, so anyway, I ended up coming second in the Launnie Angling Club Saturday tournament, so that was awesome. And also I did a raffle for Movember, because I've been raising funds for Movember, and we raised $500, so that was pretty wicked as well. But yeah, so all fish were caught on Fishin Straya Lures in the Golden Trout colour pattern. They're a wicked lure all around Tassie. I've had great success, as well as Lake Crescent, with the fish feeding on big golden galaxias. But yeah, so if you want to get some of them, get on Fishinstraya.com and make sure to grab one or two, because there's only a couple left before I have to restock them. But yeah, thank you everyone for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Yo!